Hey, the Gadget Man here with nothing but gadgets, and today we're going to be looking at this Yesker Professional Massage Gun Kit. So 3, 2, 1, let's get testing. Alright, so let's bust this baby open to see what we got here. Oh man, look at there. Got nice massage gun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tips, a charger, a manual here, and a thank you card and a warranty card here. So that's what comes in the kit. I've had this for a couple days. I've used it, and I want to tell you something, buddy. This thing right here, this is one heck of a massager, buddy. I mean, you got to be careful because this thing can hurt you. I mean, this is a deep muscle massage thing right here. I've tried it on some friends, and you know, I've got a buddy of mine who's got some back problems, neck problems. You know, I just did a good massage on him last night. He was like, "Wow, this thing is amazing." My wife, she's got back problems and always is asking me to massage her. And I've used a lot of massage guns in my life, just because she suffered with back problems all of our marriage, and so it's like a nightly thing. And boy, I tell you what, when I tried this on her, she's like, okay, this is what you're using from now on. But let's bust it out of the box here and show you how this thing works. It's pretty simple. It's got a button underneath here. That's how you turn it on right here. Turn it on. You got some LED lights right there. On one side, this is your speed. It's a 6-speed. And the 99 represents the battery charge system, which is currently at full. And that's after about, I'd say about an hour of massaging 2 people last night, still at full battery. As it gets, I think it goes down like 99, 80%, 60%, 40%, 20%, and everything. The green LED light at the bottom indicates that the battery is full. That's another battery indicator right there. And as it gets lower, the color will change and go from green to yellow to red. Pretty simple to use. You just put the little devices in there like that. You press the power button back here to turn it on, and when you press that right there, that actually starts the motion there. And you can see here it's at level 1. Okay, and hit that again, it goes to level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and buddy, let me show you something here. I mean, oh wow, that, buddy, you can't hardly see it, but my goodness. I mean, it's going fast and it's going deep, and that right there will put some hurting on you. It seems like when it's going slow on level 1, like that, you can see it better. And if you're not careful and you hit something hard, it'll bounce. I mean, boom, like that bone right there. Boom, 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 boom. It's actually really hitting good here. I'm going to do a slow motion video for you. But man, it really is strong. Okay? So you can just turn it off by pushing the little button here. Boom, that turns it off. It comes with one battery, but I guess if you were going to work all day as a professional massager, you could get another battery. So you just press this button right here on the side, and out comes that battery. Just like a cordless drill, you can buy other batteries for it, put it in. Man, I'll tell you what, it's just a pretty amazing piece of equipment here. I know that everybody I tried it on really likes it. My son, my daughter-in-law, my wife, my friends. They're like, man, this is the best massager I've ever had. And the only thing is it's a deep muscle massage. This one's right here has got some softness to it. It's kind of like a foam rubber. This is more of an actual rubber one right here. So this is kind of soft, but it does have some stiffness to it. It has different balls there. This one right here supposedly goes up your spine. I'm afraid to use anything. These are all hard. It hits hard enough with this right here that kind of afraid to use these, but I guess if you really went delicately and lightly, you'd be all right. This thing's heavy, man. I mean, it's not light. You don't have to push on this. Just let it ride. And sometimes, like on my wife, I have to hold it back because it's hitting her too hard. It's going too deep. But sure does relax those muscles. Doesn't take that long to charge it. I charged it one time. Been using it for over an hour. It's still showing a completely full charge, so it lasts a good long time. I mean, it comes with a really nice case here to carry along with you. Kind of a semi-hardback case, all form-fitted, custom molding there. So it's a great deal. It's got some extra storage back here in the pocket for some additional things. You know, you might need some Aspercream or something like that back here, massage gel to kind of help you out. So it's got a great kit. I really like it. You know, everybody I've used it on really likes it. So I'm going to give this device a 100% thumbs up, guys. Really nice. So that's all I've got to say about that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. And please share my videos on social media, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. That all helps me out, help me grow the Nothing But Gadgets channel. And until next time, I'll see you later.